Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to do French verb conjugation part 1. We are going to do avoir and être, which are the auxiliary verbs that form the basis for other conjugations and other tenses in French. Avoir means to have and être means to be. Before we go, please don't forget to follow us, like and share our videos with your friends and family. Now we have the mode indicative, which is 4 temps simples and 4 temps composés. Now with the conjugation of the verb avoir, let's go. Please repeat after me. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. We have made a few examples, short sentences as examples for you. The first example, j'ai une pomme rouge. I have a red apple. Nous avons une réunion. We have a meeting. And vous avez les cheveux longs. You have long hair. Now for the verb être, to be. Let's go. Je suis. Tu es. Elle est. Il est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils ont. Elles sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Okay, so we have a few examples. Je suis le professeur. I am the teacher. Tu es mon père. You are my father. Elles sont belles. They are beautiful. Now, the verb être is used to conjugate past tense, and when you are conjugating with the verb être, you use mostly the movement verbs only, and you conjugate them with être. What you do, take off the verb roots, E-R-I-R or R-E, then you add either an E or an S or both, depending on the gender or the number. For example, je suis né en août. Emphasis on the word né. That is for a masculine singular person. Nous sommes nés en août. You can see we added an extra E and an S, which means there are more than one person and they are females. Then you can see we have Dr. and Mrs. Van de Tromp. These are the verbs. All these verbs here are the verbs that are called movement verbs because they have something to do with movement. So when you are conjugating them in the past tense, which is the passé composé, you always use the present tense of the verb être first before you add the movement verb in the passé composé form. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our videos with your friends. Click on the bell icon so that you always get notified whenever we post a new video.